I was sent this over the stove spice rack for my review, and I'm a little bit disappointed because it doesn't fit over my stove. My stove is on an island and it is too small, so this hangs over. But the great thing about this is it is extremely versatile and you can use it for so many different things. So yes, ideally I would love to have this over my stove to put all my spices on here, but because it doesn't fit, I'm actually gonna pivot a little bit and I'm gonna have this as part of my closet, and I'm going to be putting my jewelry on here because I actually have nowhere to display some of my watches and things like that. So I love that we have these little hooks right here so I can hang some necklaces and some bracelets, and then up here maybe some sunglasses, some watches, some things that I'm using every day that I can just quickly grab and go instead of trying to dig through my jewelry box. So this is really great. So this is 14 inches high. It is 32.8 inches long and it is 5.3 inches wide. So I do love that it's got some great height. I love the length on it for sure, but I also love that it's not super wide, so it's not going to be like protruding too much out of anywhere. Took my husband like 10 minutes to put together, really easy. You've got this great steel frame. So yeah, if this is something that will fit over your stove for some spices, highly recommend. But if not, you can use it for so many different things, like on your desk too, even so many options.